In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a GitHub branch in 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or handling a personal repository, there are times when renaming a branch for clarity or organization becomes essential. Let's dive into this straightforward process. The first step is to go to GitHub, open your preferred web browser, and enter GitHub's URL. This will take you to the GitHub homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you'll notice the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the login process. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll see fields asking for your username or email address, followed by your password. Enter your details carefully. Remember, your username or email should be the one associated with your GitHub account. It's a good practice to double check your password for any inadvertent typing errors. Once you've filled in this information, proceed to click the sign in button. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub, showcasing updates from repositories you're following and any recent activity in your projects. From here, navigate to one of your repositories by selecting it from the list of recently accessed projects or by searching for it. Once you're in your desired repository, locate the branches option. Typically, you'll find this at the top of the repository page, near the navigation bar that includes options like code, issues, and pull requests. Click on branches to view a list of all branches associated with your repository. In this branch view, you'll see a list of branches available. Find the branch you need to rename. Beside each branch name, there's a 3-dot icon, which represents the More Options menu. Click on this icon next to the branch you wish to modify. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Rename Branch option and select it. A dialog box will open, prompting you to enter the new name for your branch. Think of a name that accurately represents the purpose or content of the branch to avoid any confusion in future collaborations. Once you're satisfied with the new name, confirm your choice by clicking on the Rename button. And that's it, you've successfully renamed your GitHub branch. Renaming branches is a crucial skill, especially when managing complex projects or updating naming conventions to enhance readability and organization. By following these steps, you can ensure better project management and communication within your team. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy coding!